an essential worker. You are expected to go to. So guys, this is a heap of snow, right? I'm actually parked at a shopping complex. I was trying to go see a patient, but guess what? No parking. And that brought me into thinking the threatening messages people got during this storm. So I was on my way to see this patient today. So I called the patient yesterday and say, hey, Miss So-and-so, this is Nurse Fain. I am calling to schedule an appointment for you to come and check on you tomorrow. The patient says, what time? Okay, we discussed. She hung us out. So she calls me a minute later and she's like, Nurse Fain, you just talked to me? I said, yes. She's like, I just want to let you know that they have not plowed or cleaned any snow in front of my house, okay? And I would not want you to come here and fall down. So I would rather you reschedule it for a different day the next day. I said, okay, miss, I will come and I'll try. I'll attempt to come and see. Maybe they will do it in the overnight. I'll come and see the situation. And if the situations are conducive, I'll see you tomorrow. If not, we will reschedule it for the following day. Done, dusted. All right. This is a patient. But let me ask you. I think we need to stop this. Administrative staff or whoever in this, our medical sector. I have seen messages that people have gotten because of this storm that happened, right? One of them is, you're an essential worker. You are expected to go to work. How am I supposed to go to work? Okay, first of all, did you just realize that I'm an essential worker? Does my pay reflect essential work, right? And the accommodations that you're claiming you made, did you make the same accommodations for yourself as a leader to be at the workplace? No. So people are sending, or this administrative or leaders are sending threatening messages to nurses, threatening them they will be fired, threatening them that they're essential workers. We got to stop this. This is 2026, okay? We need to plan things well. We need to lead by example. If you're a leader, you can't be sending people threatening messages from your bed, in your house, at your own comfort, telling people that they need to go to sleep at work because they're expected to work 12 or 24 hours later, yet you are at the comfort of your own house, right? These individuals got families, they got responsibilities. Yes, there's individuals who are able to do that. Why don't we pre-plan, right? Who is able to come and stay overnight? We will offer X, Y, Z, and we will pay you for your time being here, right? And let's stop this threatening things, right? This is an ongoing thing. You will call out sick. They will tell you cannot call out sick. Ma'am, I'm sick. You will call out. They will tell you you're calling out too much, right? But it's life, right? No life is straightforward. Life is unpredictable. I don't know. Did you get a threatening message for all my nurses? What message did you get, right? Are you an essential worker? We've always been essential workers. Hello. It's not news, right? But are we only essential workers when it's life-threatening situations? Okay? Food for thought. I hope you have a lovely day. Be careful out there for all the East Coast nurses or anybody who has to trade through this weather that we're having. I'll see you in the next one.